Are you dealing with the Atl Library DLL error blocking your work? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist, and I'm going to walk you through a safe, verified solution. I recommend the automated system scan for Atl Library to finish your setup in seconds. This is the Atl Library, the Active Template Library, ATL core module. It provides unmanaged helper routines for developing lightweight COM objects and ActiveX controls. It manages the orchestration of window classes and interface registration for system components. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. This error is best handled by reinstalling Active Template Library, SXS. Visit Microsoft's website, download the x86 and x64 Visual C++ redistributable packages, and run the installers. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the ATL library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page, or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Be suspicious of any site that asks you to disable your antivirus to install Atl Library DLL, as this is a major red flag for malicious software. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. Instead of manual troubleshooting, you may review automated diagnostic options referenced below for Atl Library. If this fix repaired Atl Library dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.